Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking Kondor from Fortnite Season 5. So here is my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this one is a very cool looking character, probably one of the better looking skins for this season. Alright, so to begin with, I draw in his face area, which there's no detail to. So we'll just draw in almost like a little big almond shape actually. So just one curve on top, and then one more on the bottom. Alright, and then from here on the side, Just come on the side here. Almost straight, just give it a slight curve. And then the bottom, we'll just round it out. Same thing on the top. Could be a little bit flatter on the top right here. Come back down. So that's pretty much it for the face shape. So now we gotta draw in the little wrappings. So I'm gonna start on the bottom here. Just follow this curve. Just extend it. Okay, so we have one smooth curve. And then right on the bottom here, I'm just gonna add one more. So now it looks like a wrapping going around. And then now on the top here, just draw another wrapping, another line. And that's pretty much it. And this is gonna be all black. Okay, so actually let me, well, it's kind of a big area, but let me shade this in real quick, because I think it's gonna look a lot cooler. All right, yeah, that definitely looks a lot better. All right, so now let's continue on to the body. So right on the side right here, come down. That's gonna be his shoulder. Just pinch all the way in. I'm gonna close it with a little angle on the bottom. So this is gonna be his waist area. And then right all over it, just gonna draw one little line right there. All right, and then for the details inside, let's draw another line. And then one more right here, and then let's go ahead and draw in. It's got a little big pocket in here, and this one's easy, so just right in this space right here, just draw a little rounded rectangle. And then for the flap right here, just one curve. All right, so now let's draw in the arms, and his arm is gonna be right around here. It's a little bit lower. I'm gonna start on the top right here. Just curve down all the way here. And then from the armpit right here, let's come down. And then to finish up the rest of the arm, I'm just gonna add in a couple of folds like this to make it a little bit more interesting. So just come down and then close it off. So this will be the wrist. All right, so it's almost like an astronaut suit, I guess. So here's the armpit. Let's draw on the other side. Curve down to right around here. Come down the inside as well. And then again, just a couple of big bumps. And then now for the hand itself. So I'm gonna start right here, come down straight. It's one little hook. So now I'm gonna draw the other finger, and it's gonna be a little bit straighter right here. Okay, so just go down, round it out, just come back up slightly. And then now here's the back of the hand. And then for the other fingers, I'm just gonna tuck it in. And it's gonna show up right here, so we're gonna add a little bump right here. All right, so let's draw the same thing on the other side. Come down straight, it's one little hook. And then again right here, go out. Round it, come back up. Here's the back of the hand, and then just kind of tuck it right behind the finger. And one little bump right here. All right, so now let's draw in, it's got those awesome looking shorts right in the middle right here. I'm just gonna draw one little line like this first. On the side, just come out, past the hands, on the inside right here. Let's draw 2 little lines, and when you close it, there should be a little slant going up. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the lower legs, and we'll add in the details to the shorts. Okay, so right here, so for the lower leg, just 2 little brackets, long brackets, and then I'm just gonna round it out right here. Continue this, go down. Now on this side, we're gonna come out a little bit more for the shoe, and then we'll just close this off. And let's go ahead and add in 1 line here for the sole. Okay, so same thing here. Just a long bracket, close it off with a slant right here, and then continue down on the inside. Come out a little bit more on this side, and then close it off. And then it's got those wrappings on his legs. So for this, just add in some lines, but just kind of vary the direction here. So that looks like wrappings. All right, so let's come back up here. It's got those suspenders right here. You can draw in just 2 lines like this first, and that would actually work. But if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, you can extend these lines right here. So if you don't want to leave it like this, what you can do is just extend the top line and then close it to this corner right here. And then all you have to do is just erase out that little line inside. Okay, so let's draw in the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to extend it and then close it. And we can add in the belt buckles right here, just 2 little lines. All right, so lastly, if you want to add in a little bit more detail, just right in the corners right here, just add a little line, just give it some more folds. And that is it for this very cool looking Kondor. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.